Here now are the solutions to the exercises square of a binomial. Problem number 1, we have the quantity of r plus 6 raised to the power of 2. Our first term is r, our second term is 6. Okay. For our solution, first get the square of our first term, and then copy the addition sign here, multiply the first and the second term, and copy this again, get the sum of the square of our second term. Our final answer is r squared plus 12r plus 36. Number 2. Our problem, we have the quantity r minus 6 raised to the power of 2. Our first term is r, second term is 6. Get the square of the first term, copy the minus sign, multiply the first and the second term, and then copy this again. Get the sum of the square of the second term. Our final answer is r squared minus 12r plus 36. Number 3. The quantity of x minus 5 raised to the power of 2. Get the square of the first term. Copy the minus sign. Multiply the first and the second term, and then copy this again. Get the sum of the square of the second term. Our final answer, x squared minus 10x plus 25. Number 4, we have the quantity of 4x minus 8. Our first term is 4x, get the square, and then copy the sign negative, multiply the first and the second term, and then copy this again. Get the sum of the square of the second term. Our final answer, 16x squared minus 64x plus 64. Number 5, the quantity of 5x plus 3y raised to the power of 2. The same process. Our final answer, 25x squared plus 30xy plus 9y squared. Number 6, the quantity of 7a minus 5x squared y. Our first term is 7a, second term 5x squared y. The same process. Our final answer, 49a squared minus 670ax squared y plus 25x raised to the fourth y raised to 2. And number 7, the quantity of 9a squared b squared minus 5b squared. Our raised to the power of 2. Our first term, 9a squared b squared, second term, 5b squared. The same process. Our final answer, 81a raised to the 4th b4 minus 90a squared b squared plus 25b raised to the 4th. And our last number, we have the quantity of the quantity a plus 2 minus 4. Our first term, we have the quantity of a plus 2. Our second term, we have 4. The same process, and our final answer is a squared minus 4a plus 4.